Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change profile name on Prime Video. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change name of profile on Prime Video. Maybe because the profile was belonged to someone else, but now someone else is using it. So the other person who has just got the profile want to name the profile to his own name, or maybe you want to change the name of the profile to something else that you like, or it could be any other reason for you to change name of profile on Prime Video. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first, what you have to do is that you just have to simply tap on the icon of the Prime Video and it will open. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of series, movies available on the home page. Other than movies, we have some options at the bottom and some options at the top. So from all these options, what we have to do is that we have to click on this profile icon, this one. Once you click on it, you will see this interface. So as you can see, this one, Steve, this is the name of the profile. And now if you want to change it, we can do that by just tapping on it. Once you tap on it, you will see this interface. Right now we have all the profiles. So let's say you want to change the name of this profile, Steve. So if you want to do that, first you have to click on edit profile, this option. Once you click on it, you will see a pencil icon on every profile. So if I click onto this pencil icon, it will take me here, and now I can edit this profile, Steve. Now, if you want to change its name, what you could do is that you have to click on this option which says Steve. This is the current name. First, you have to remove this current, or you could say existing name, by just removing it. And after that, you have to enter the new name. You can enter your real name, you can enter any made up name, any fake name, whatever comes to your mind, you can add it. It is not a professional app, so don't worry that you have to enter your real name. You can add anything, whatever comes to your mind, you can add it and it will be there. So here I have added this name. Likewise, you can name anything of your choice. Once you're done typing, just simply click on save. And here you can see the profile name has been changed to what we just entered. So if I click onto it, the profile will open, and here once I click onto this profile icon, you will see the name has been changed here. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the name of profile on Prime Video. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.